Jaden did such a good job. Nakakatuwa na kinip niya yung words namin backstage. Yung mga tinuro ko sa kanila. Tinuro din ni Coach Sushi sa kanila. Um, I'm just really happy na yung mga batang to at an early age, kaya nila mag-adapt agad. It's it's such a blessing na nasa team ko sila kasi ang dali nilang turuan. And the more na matuturuan mo tong mga batang to, the more na gumagaling talaga sila. And kitang-kita naman sa performance nila, wow. Sinasabi ko talaga sa kanila, okay, lose lahat ng mga nararamdaman nyo here in rehearsals. Try and grasp the feeling of being nervous, of all the jitters, the butterflies, lahat yan. I-feel nyo na yan sa rehearsals. Magkamali na kayo, it's okay. But once you step on stage, I want lahat ng yun, wala na. You just enjoy the performance. You know what to do. You have a lot of rest. That's the most important thing kasi. And kitang-kita kay Jaden na nagawa niya sa job niya today na nabigay niya yung feeling, nandun yung sweetness, nandun lahat. And I'm just super happy. Super happy ako for them.